Hey there, fellow garden lovers. Ever wondered how to get that perfect, lush garden? Well, today I'm going to share with you the top 5 tips for using topsoil to transform your garden into a thriving paradise. Stick around because tip number 5 is a game changer. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, what is topsoil? Simply put, it's the uppermost layer of soil packed with nutrients and organic matter. Using it correctly can make a world of difference in your garden. So let's get to tip number 1. 1, choose the right topsoil. Tip number 1, choose the right topsoil. Not all topsoils are created equal. Look for a type that is dark, crumbly, and has a sweet, earthy smell. Avoid soils with a lot of clay or sand. The right topsoil should feel light and fluffy in your hands. Here's a quick test. Grab a handful of soil and give it a squeeze. If it crumbles easily, you're good to go. If it feels sticky or gritty, you might want to keep looking. 2, prepare your garden bed. Tip number 2, prepare your garden bed. Before adding topsoil, clear out any weeds, rocks, or debris from your garden area. Loosen the existing soil with a garden fork to about 6 inches deep. This helps the topsoil mix well with the existing soil, ensuring better root penetration and water retention. Taking the time to prepare your garden bed properly will make a huge difference in how well your plants grow. Trust me, it's worth the effort. 3, add organic matter. Tip number 3, add organic matter. Mixing in compost, well-rotted manure, or leaf mold with your topsoil boosts its nutrient content. This creates a rich, fertile environment for your plants to thrive. Just a few shovels of organic matter mixed into your topsoil can work wonders. Your plants will thank you with vibrant growth and bountiful blooms. 4, use the right amount. Tip number 4, use the right amount of topsoil. A common mistake is adding too much or too little. Aim for a layer about 2 to 3 inches thick. Spread it evenly over your prepared garden bed and gently rake it in. Too much topsoil can suffocate your plants, while too little won't provide enough nutrients. Finding that sweet spot is key. 5, maintain your topsoil. And finally, tip number 5, maintain your topsoil. Keep it healthy by adding a thin layer of compost each season. Mulching with organic materials like straw or wood chips also helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Maintaining your topsoil ensures your garden continues to thrive year after year. Plus, it reduces the need for chemical fertilizers, making your garden more eco-friendly. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 tips for using topsoil in your garden. By choosing the right soil, preparing your bed, adding organic matter using the right amount, and maintaining it, you'll be well on your way to a beautiful, healthy garden. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!